From and don't. And the next thing to do is go. Before that.
Unannounced earthquake drill. So what did you do inside your room? Just like what you're doing now, that is the cover and hold. Again, everybody, the cover and hold. Yeah, earthquake is the emergency situation that we are in right now as a simulation drill so that we are prepared for a calamity like this. Okay? Emhep? Emhep? Okay, very good because you're able to... Give a big hand to everybody for a job well done, and of course, we'd like to commend the teachers for following the instructions properly. We're able to really good. Okay, so this is our for the aftershock. Okay. Okay, so this is just a simulation. Thank you very much, teachers, for your cooperation. So we're going to do this again. This time in unannounced phase. Magyayari yan mamaya. Hindi na kina-announce kung anong oras. Okay, so I think it's time for us to go back to our rooms. Okay, let's go.
3, 5, and 6. Let's go. Herb, Paulina.
Very good.
Okay.